about the Salesforce Automotive Cloud. Sounds a bit techy, right? But it is super interesting, especially if you are into cars. So let's think of it like this. You know how our phones are smart and connected. Now imagine that, but for cars. Salesforce launched this cool platform that is making cars smarter by the day. It is like giving your car its own brain. Now here is how it works. The Automotive Cloud lets car manufacturers see what is happening with their cars in real time. Like if your car is running low on fuel or needs some repairs, the system knows and can tell you. It is like having a car that talks to you. And here is the sci-fi part. It uses AI.
There is no doubt 2023 was the year of AI.
Artificial intelligence is just now seeping into everything.
Artificial intelligence is evolving. It promises a better future.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live.
This means the car can predict stuff. For example, it might tell you, hey, it might be time to think about a new car, based on how much you have been driving. For businesses on the other side, which are managing lots of cars, this is super handy. They get all this data about their fleet, like how the cars are driving or when they need maintenance. It is like having a helicopter view of all your cars. Now let's peek into the future. By 2030, almost all new cars will be able to connect like this. We are talking about a huge shift in how we interact with our cars. They'll be part of our digital life just like our phones and smartwatches. Salesforce is adding even more features to this. Things like managing car parts, helping car companies sell smarter, and creating personalized digital experiences for drivers. They are even planning to make cars that can chat with us using AI, sort of like having a Siri on wheels. So that's a wrap on the Salesforce Automotive Cloud. It is a big deal in the car world and making everything more connected, smarter, and more personal. Just imagine, in a few years, your car could be the smartest gadget you own. Thanks for tuning in and catch you next time for more tech talk. Do not forget to subscribe Forcetalks channel